The Start button in Windows 11 is a small button that displays the Windows logo and always appears at the left end of the primary group of buttons within the taskbar. The buttons in the Windows 11 taskbar appear in the center of the bar by default. However, you can also align the buttons to the left end of the taskbar if you prefer the previous taskbar button layout from Windows 10 and earlier versions. You can click the Start button to display the Start menu in Windows 11, which is discussed in the next lesson. You can right-click the Start button to display a pop-up menu of shortcuts to various features, windows, and settings on your computer. To open any of these items, click the desired command in the pop-up menu that appears. A handy shortcut in this menu is the Shutdown or Sign Out command. If you roll your mouse pointer over this command, you will see the options to shut down or sign out of your computer in a side menu that appears. You can then select the desired command to execute in the side menu to quickly sign out of your account or shut down your computer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.